Bitch, you guessed it. You was right.
That's a Leak thing.
Who said I loved you first? It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know.
Is that your phone? Yeah. Oh. I'm a vlogger. Huh? I'm a vlogger. Oh, you vlog? Oh, yeah.
We're waiting for the bus. I'm gonna meet my friend Luke today.
I just got back in the house. I'm seeing her editing this video, and Leak is making a beat for this video. The rain got the front of my hair a little wet, so I'm kind of heated now. I gotta dry it. The video quality might look a little different because I'm recording it on his phone now. My phone ran out of storage again. I need to get an external hard drive so I can transfer everything over. By the time you watch this video, the beat will already be in the video. I use all his beats for my videos, so if you like the beats, go check out his YouTube channel. The link will be in the description.
That's a Leak thing.
That's the end of this video. I just got done making the beat. So like, comment, subscribe, and go check out his channel. The link will be in the description. I'm out.
Bitch, you guessed it. You was right. Bitch, you guessed it.